Hey everyone, this is Brody, the Ford Taurus fan 2001 here. Today, let's take an in-depth look at this 2011 Ford F-150 XL. And today, I'm going to give you a full in-depth tour of the F-150. We'll start the engine, show it off, go to performance details. I can already tell it's got dual exhaust. And as well, show you a bunch of features on the inside and the outside, etc. We'll even show the engine in the video after. And so, without further ado, let's start her up, let her run. Pretty basic. White exterior with, I don't know, gray cloth interior with, it's got seat covers on it, or black cloth interior, my bad. Pretty basic truck. Nothing usual to see on it. It's fired up. 171,000 kilometers. She's mean. She's very mean at that 2014 F-150 I did. Fires right up. 4-spoke leather-wrapped steering wheel. Very smooth power steering. 4-speed automatic transmission. I don't want to shift it anyways, but anyways, parking brake is right here. E-brake works. So we're gonna turn on the headlights. Does not have fog lights and the hazards. Has manual windows. And review the exterior, shall we? This is the XL model. There's your exhaust. It's dual exhaust. Westlake tires. Let's pop the hood. So this got a Coyote V8 in it. There's your battery.
Brody, make sure you turn her off, eh?
Okay.
Turn her off when you're done.
All right. All right, Gussie. Good man. Let's close the hood. Now we'll review the interior of the truck. Ever see how she sounds? Ooh, she's very loud. You could tell. So, your turn signals. There you go. So your fan speed, your temperature, your radio, your glove box, your cup holders, And your extra seat right here. Nice. So it has manual windows. And has manual locks. The way to unlock it is open the door. And manual reclining seat. And your red view mirror. Nice. Yeah, steering wheel's very, very worn, as you could tell over the years. Okay, let's go ahead and shut her off. And I'll get an exhaust clip after the conclusion. Hope you guys enjoyed the in-depth tour of the 2011 Ford F-150 XL. Stay tuned for next review, and goodbye.